What we've done here is taken a bunch of Cat6 cables, solid cable, and what we're trying to do is an experiment that shows exactly how far we can go with a single patch cable. We do have two keystone connectors right here, and as you can see, we now have a bunch of runs, just went back and forth with no kinks going this entire distance. And what this comes down to is we have gone 500 feet of solid Cat6 cable, terminated to two keystone connectors with two 33-foot sections of stranded cable. So we have gone 566 feet with our termination technique.